how to log into Grubhub. Now if you're having issues logging into Grubhub, let's say, and then you'd like to go ahead and then log into your account properly, it's very simple. First, make sure you're connected to a proper Wi-Fi or an internet connection. After you've done that, make sure you've downloaded the Grubhub application from your respective Play Store or App Store. After that, just go ahead and then launch the Grubhub app, and this is the type of interface that you should be able to see. At the bottom, you can see an option that says sign in. So of course you can just tap on the sign in button. It will ask you to get started with your email. Now you can also sign in with your Google account, Amazon account, or your Facebook account, but if you already have an account, use your Grubhub or seamless email. So of course you want to go ahead and then make sure to enter your email and that you already have an account with. Then you can tap on the continue button. Then after you've done that, it will send a code to your email, after which you can go ahead and then simply verify it. And once you've done that, you should be able to enter your password and other credentials and log into your Grubhub account. Now in case you happen to sometimes forget your password, you can also choose to reset it right from this page. I hope the video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.